Hello passionate gardener. Today I'm going to share you some tips about growing cucumber. So we have a common problem in growing cucumber is like cucumber does not have enough female flowers like with cucumber, and when you see that it's not coming like for this this plant it was not coming any female flowers. So that the things that you can do, I'll be making it very quick on this video, that you just remove some of the male flowers from down, which I did before that. You can see like there's no male flower here. I removed them from down, so remove this as well to encourage the female flower. And once I remove them, and you also can pinch some of the leaves down there. That's optional, but if you do, that will like this you just pinch some. This will encourage the growth, as well as this is encourage the plant to give more energies to produce female flower. Like you see, like I have female flower like this. Yeah, it's small, and there is another one. This is not getting matured enough. I'll tell you why. I did some experiment on this one, and there are female. You can see this my small plant also coming with a female flowers. So pinch some male flowers from bottom and remove some leaves will encourage the female flowers. That's one thing. Other thing, why our cucumbers are not getting matured or not getting to cucumber, because it might get dried, it might get dropped up, the female ones. So the reason behind is like pollination. So if and the lack of water, but if water is fine, you are doing good watering. The other reason could be the pollination. Pollination is important. If you don't have enough bees, you are putting your cucumber inside, try this pollination method by hand. Like how you can do that, just you can remove one of the male flower like this, just pinch this. You can see this is my one of the male flower. So just remove this yellow portion, and get the yes. So yeah, this is the pollination factor. So I need to use this to pollinate my female one. So I did this already for me for my female one. So I'm just going to do just before the flower got dried out. So just put this, just little bit of shake here. That should do that work. So this pollen need to drop in the female this bud. This will make sure this females got pollinated, because if you have bees around, most of them should be fine. So I did little touch in the female buds and it should be okay. I should be expecting this to be matured in a cucumber. The other one I have not done anything. This was inside my greenhouse and I thought like let's see if it is maturing or not, but it didn't. You can see it's already getting yellow. So with this few tips, you should be able to grow cucumber nicely, and you should have lot of flowers, female and male flowers. You need definitely some male flowers, otherwise you'll not be able to pollinate those cucumbers. So keep the male flowers. Don't pinch once they started females once started. Like you can see, there are a few more females already here. So you can see like there is a little bit of hazy. Sorry for that. So there's a little bit of one here, and there as I showed, it's coming there. So if it start coming flowering for the female ones, don't need to pinch out much. So leave it as is. And if you feel you're not having enough female flowers, start pinching the male ones and some leaves from bottom side. So you should give that trick. So hope you like the video, and thanks to all of you for all your support and like the video, and thank for your comments and viewing as well. I do share some videos on the gardening side. I love gardening. Mostly container gardenings on fruit and vegetables, and some vegetables are on the ground as well in this side. So give a thumbs up if you like my garden, if you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. And again, thanks to all of you for all your support, and I'll be keep sharing the new tips and the things that I learned from gardening to share with you all. And until the next video, thanks for watching. Bye bye.